Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to increase body glutathione. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant crucial for detoxification and immune function. We'll explore practical, step-by-step methods to naturally boost its levels. You'll learn about specific foods, supplements, and daily habits that contribute to optimal glutathione synthesis. Let's dive into how you can support your body's master antioxidant for better overall health and well-being. Your diet plays a significant role in glutathione production. Focus on incorporating sulfur-rich vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale, along with garlic and onions. These provide essential precursors. Additionally, ensure adequate intake of vitamin C from citrus fruits and berries, and selenium from sources like Brazil nuts or eggs. These nutrients are vital cofactors that support the synthesis and recycling of glutathione within your cells. Beyond diet, certain supplements can be beneficial. N-acetylcysteine, or NAC, is a well-known precursor to glutathione and can be taken as a supplement. Lifestyle choices are equally important. Regular moderate exercise helps optimize cellular function and antioxidant defenses. Furthermore, ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night allows your body to repair and regenerate, supporting healthy glutathione levels. To further enhance your glutathione levels, focus on stress reduction techniques such as meditation or yoga. Chronic stress can deplete your body's antioxidant reserves. Also, minimize exposure to environmental toxins found in processed foods, pollutants, and certain chemicals, as these increase oxidative stress. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Prioritizing these steps creates a robust foundation for optimal health.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.